Hello all. Today we learn about some more poetic device. Okay. In previous class we saw some poetic devices. We learn about some poetic devices. Today the rest of this chapter or this lesson. So first one is alliteration. What does alliteration means? Alliteration means repetition of words, not words actually, repetition of alphabet. So today we will discuss about alliteration. What does alliteration means? Repetition of alphabet or sound at the start of two or more subsequent words. Repetition of alphabet या phonetics मतलब साउंड का रिपीटेशन होगा. कहाँ पे होगा? लाइन के जो फर्स्ट वर्ड्स आते हैं स्टार्ट के दो या दो से ज्यादा वर्ड, सब्सिक्वेंट वर्ड्स, एक के बाद एक फर्स्ट में एक लास्ट में, ऐसा नहीं, सब्सिक्वेंट जो वर्ड्स होंगे उसमें आ जाएगा. जैसे एग्जाम्पल, अगर हम एग्जाम्पल ले, वी वेप्ट, okay, we wept awfully. Now see www. So repetition of alphabet, we are here seeing that repetition of alphabet. That's why it is alliteration. So what is alliteration? Repetition of alphabet or sound at the start of two or more subsequent words. See here three. Two or more subsequent words, that is known as alliteration. Next, is assonance. Now what is assonance? That is again repetition of vowel sound. Repetition of vowel sound. Try to light the fire. Try to light the fire. I sound, I sound, I sound. So assonance means repetition of the vowel sound. So here try to light the fire. I sound, try, I sound, light, I sound, fire, I. So repetition of vowel sound is there, that is known as assonance. Now next is repetition. Repetition, that means something we have to repeat it. Repetition. What is repetition? Certain words or a group of words, means phrase. Certain words or phrase are repeatedly used. बार बार यूज हो रहा है, बार बार पोएम में आते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज रिपीटेशन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई लव bugs. अच्छा, I love bugs, small bugs, big bugs, and very big bugs. So this is a poem. I love bugs, small bugs, big bugs, very big bugs. So here bugs. This word is continuously repeating. Every line it is repeated. That's why it is known as repetition. Repetition means repeating certain words or phrase in a poem. That is known as repetition. The next one is rhyme. Rhyme. We all know rhyming scheme. We all have learned about that. So now the poetic device is rhyme. What does this mean? Repetition of words having same sound at the end of line of the poem. पोएम के जो लाइन होते हैं उसकी लास्ट जो वर्ड है उसका साउंड सिमिलर है. ठीक है, तो repetition of words having same sound at the end of the line of poems. Example, we all know this poem, Jack and Jill went up the hill. Now see, Jill and hill. These are known as rhyme. These are rhyming words. Jill, hill, cat, bat. Okay, these are all rhyming words. So Jack and Jill went up the hill. These Jill and hill, this is repetition of sound. Words से भी ज्यादा hill, last सी ill दोनों में है. So repetition of words having same sound at the end of line of the poem is known as rhyme. So this is the poetic device, rhyme. Now the next one is anaphora. What does anaphora mean? Repetition of word or phrase at the beginning of successive clause of line or line. So beginning of successive clause or line. Forget about successive clause, beginning of line. Okay, repetition of word or phrase at the beginning of a line. For example, so the line is, I am the master of my fate, I am the captain of my soul. So here anaphora, what I say that anaphora, repetition of word or phrase at the beginning of the line. So see here, I am. So here I am the master of my fate, I am the captain of my soul. So यहाँ पे ये जो words है ये दोनों लाइन पे repeat है, तो इसको anaphora बोला जाता है. So repetition of word or phrase at the beginning of the line. ठीक है, so this is known as anaphora. Question, बड़ा चढ़ा के बोलते हैं. हाइपरबोले मीन्स बड़ा चढ़ाकर बोलते हैं. जब हम किसी भी सिचुएशन को एग्जैगरेट कर देते हैं, बड़ा चढ़ा के बोलते हैं, तो उसे हम बोलते हैं हाइपरबोल. नाउ एग्जाम्पल, सपोज आई could sleep I could sleep for a year. I could sleep for a year. So what is example? I could sleep for a year. Now actually ये क्या है, बड़ा चढ़ा कर बोल रहा है. मीनिंग क्या है कि I am tired, I need rest. लेकिन कोई भी इंसान हो, एनिमल हो, कोई भी क्या 1 साल सो सकता है? पॉसिबल है नहीं ना. So this line means that I am too tired, I need some rest, I'm so tired, I need some rest. उसको हम कैसे पोएटिक अगर अंदाज में बोले तो आई कुड स्लीप फॉर अ ईयर. एक्चुअली तो हम कोई 1 साल के लिए नहीं सोते हैं ना, पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. सो इसका इनर मीनिंग है कि आई एम टू टायर्ड, आई एम सो टायर्ड दैट I want to sleep now, I want to take rest for some time now. That's why when we exaggerate some situation, then we use hyperbole. That is, I could sleep for a year. That is hyperbole. And then hyperbole. So we have learned all these. All these today: alliteration, assonance, repetition, rhyme, anaphora, hyperbole. So what is alliteration? Repetition of alphabet. Okay, repetition of alphabet, that is alliteration. Repetition of alphabet or sound, that is alliteration. Next, assonance. What is assonance? What is assonance? Repetition, is that repetition? Assonance, yes. Repetition of what? Repetition of vowel. Alliteration, repetition of alphabet or vowel. Or sound. Assonance, repetition of vowel or vowel sound. Okay, repetition of vowel sound. Now repetition, ये खुद ही repetition है. इसका मतलब क्या है? certain phrase or word repeated. Certain word or phrase repeated. Now rhyme. Repetition of word or sound at the end of lines. Repetition of word or sound at the end of lines. Anaphora, again repetition of word or phrase at the beginning of lines. And hyperbole, what is hyperbole? Exaggeration of situation. So these 6: alliteration, assonance, repetition, rhyme, anaphora and hyperbole. So this is the poetic device. Hope you understand what I want to tell you. Please comment below if you want to ask me anything or if there is any queries. That's it, and please subscribe the channel for more such videos.